You've recently registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will show you how to easily assemble and start using it. The box contains a safety guard, handle, line trimmer shaft in 2 pieces, 2-stroke oil, some tools you'll need and a detailed instruction manual. To fit the handle, first remove the wing nut and screw as shown. Fit the handle over the shaft in the position shown and tighten the collar using the screw and wing nut provided. To attach the safety guard, first remove the wing nut and screw as shown. Attach the guard to the collar above the line trimmer head and tighten in place using the screw and wing nut. To assemble the shaft, remove the protective cap from the lower piece and then loosen the collar on the upper piece using the collar key. Insert the bottom part into the top, push together until the locking pin clicks into the collar, then tighten with the key. This line trimmer runs on a mixture of unleaded petrol and 2-stroke oil. All RYOBI 2-stroke products run on a 50:1 fuel to oil ratio, so for every litre of unleaded fuel, you need to add 20 millilitres of 2-stroke oil. Use fresh fuel. Fuel that has been stored in a container for too long will be stale. To add fuel, use a funnel and be careful not to overfill. This is the power switch that will switch your line trimmer off. To start your line trimmer cold, follow this procedure. Press the fuel primer 10 times or until fuel appears. Set the choke to cold start position. Depress and hold the safety switch and then engage the trigger. Now pull sharply on the startup grip no more than 4 times. This will avoid risk of flooding. Set the choke to half, depress and hold the safety and engage the trigger, then pull sharply on the startup grip a maximum of 6 times. Wait for at least 10 seconds and then set the choke to the run position. When starting the engine warm, push the fuel primer 10 times. Set to the run position, depress and hold the safety switch and engage the trigger. Pull the startup grip sharply, no more than 6 times. This line trimmer uses a bump line feed system to release more trim line. To do this, bring the head up to full speed, then bump gently onto the grass. Don't bump the head on a hard surface like the footpath or your driveway, this may cause damage. For more information about your line trimmer or other RYOBI tools, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.